Hello friends, today I am going to teach you a simple and highlighted makeup on your Karva Chouth special. So first you have to apply a moisturizer on her face. So just see how could we apply the moisturizer. So the next step is to apply a primer on her face. So the primer which I have is a Glam 21. So just apply. Then after this we are going to do her eyeshadows. So just mix the pink plus the silver shade so that it will give a double layer eyeshadows. Just rub the brush very softly so that it will spread everywhere. So next we'll go with the silver shade. So just take the silver shade and just dusk it and just apply on the eyelid, which is like where you'll apply the eyeliner, you just apply the crease. Just draw a crease line there. So now we are done with our eyeshadows. Now we'll go for the eyebrows. So if you don't have any eyeshadow pencil or anything, you can just go with the eyeshadows. Just mix a black plus brown shade so that it will give her a natural look of the eyebrows. So just if you don't have any glitter or anything, you can just go with the highlighter so that on her eyeshadows it will give some glittery shade. So just apply it with your finger. So next we'll go with the eyeliner. So the eyeliner which I am going to apply is from Lakme. So we'll just see how to apply the eyeliner. I'll just do a winglet eyeliner on her eyes so that it will give her a pretty look. So I'm done with my eyeliner. Next I'm going to apply a mascara on her eyelashes. So the mascara is also been done. So next we'll go for the face makeup, which is the first step is to apply the concealer. So we'll apply the concealer first and let's see which concealer suits her. So I'll just go with the Glam 21 concealer. So just apply a little on her face. Now just blend very softly and very nicely with the beauty blender. Just blend it very carefully. You You don't have to apply the concealer throughout your face, but if you'll apply, it's better that it will not give any wrinkles, dark circles or anything. So now we are done with the concealer. Next we'll go with the foundation. So the foundation which I have, it's from Lakme. So just apply with your fingertip all over your face and neck, and just blend it very nicely. Throughout your face and neck, so that the face and neck matches equally. So now we'll just, you can use the compact powder also, or else you can just use a loose powder. So now I have a loose powder from Lakme. So I'll just use the Lakme loose powder on her face, so that it will give her a HD effect. Just apply it throughout your face, so that it will give you a matte finishing look. You have to apply throughout your neck plus ears. Just apply throughout your neck. And just apply on your ears also, so that all the things matches equally. Now we'll go with the blush. So if we don't have a blush, you can just use a lipstick as a blush. So we can just use a lipstick as a blusher. If you don't have any blush, you can use the lipstick also. These are beauty hacks which don't cost you much also, and it will give you a simple cute makeup in your home. Just blend it very nicely, and after applying the blush, we'll go with the highlighter. Just apply the highlighter on our nose and the cheekbone. Just apply it very carefully with your fingertip, so that it doesn't spread everywhere. And after the highlighter, we'll go with the lipstick, which is from Huda Beauty. So which is a matte lipstick, and it will give a matte lip finishing on her lips. So just apply the lipstick very carefully, because this is not the solid lipstick, so that it can be. So now it's done, and at last we'll go with the makeup fixer. So just keep your hand in front of the makeup fixer and just spray little by little on her face, neck. Okay, then I'm going to apply a bindi on her face, forehead. So we are done with our bindi, and the next step is we'll go with our hairstyle. So just have a look how the hairstyle comes. have to just rotate your hairs and just clip it nicely. And just now we are already done with the hairstyle. So just have a look, this is our hairstyle. And now she's going to wear her bangles. And now we'll go for the earrings. So I'm gonna wear her earrings. So just see how the look comes out. So now we are already done with our Karva Chouth makeup thing. Just have a look with the hairstyle, makeup, eyeshadows, eyeliner, each and everything. So finally she is back with her Rajputi look. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. And thank you so much for watching my video.